get some hook time. Steve Burns lives there next door. He has some coal. They go take the tractor lights and sell a raffle of coal tractor. And they will be there. Peterson, 4-wheel drive tractor out of Wisconsin. David's there. So you keep them on. Got the factory with, and it was a heavy motor. It had old dock and stuff with, and yeah, it was a heavy motor. But it's been a long year. Out up, the air bigger, that's what it is. Don't know what happened, but it wasn't good. Yeah, he was still going pretty good race. Again, he's going down there right side. We'll see. Justin Macy, trying to be Indiana. Hudson Adams, Rose off. Tractor for them. They sold the old Hyper Truckee and tractor repair station. They got this one. It is kind of different. Lucky there. Now I was talking about Hyper's having a new tractor left. Supercar 4-wheel drive truck. The last hole of the year for the Luther State Traffic Farm and Stewart Cheese Molding Series. Please come on up the lid, not that far. Mark 36 and Route 27. Down the school bus, Tanks in the Farmer down the House of Ohio. Area they call it Route 50 . John Deere fans will jump up and down because never know. You never know something like this, even like this, anything can happen. As I said, anything can happen, but he's not done yet. And shut it off.